Igishaja magiki kiria giatafanirio ni MC za kaunti ya Nairobi nikyo gitumi kinene kiao kurio maandikithie ndumiriri kuri kamiti ya IECC ikiuga ino timitugo miagiriru ikionanio ni atongoria.
Na unawekea MCA wako mapiripiri kwa macho. Sio ni criminal.
Na kumana na ugo IECC ni arutire watho wa kuri MCAs 16 aria manyitire itemi kurehe gicanjama giki wabici-ini ya speaker wa bunge ya Nairobi Beatrice Elachi wa gukinya mbere ya maabitha Eunice Higa na Juliet Wanjohi IECC muthenya wa umuthi no matigana gwikinya.
There are some strings which are pulled from behind, but we cannot be intimidated. But I want to assure IECC, we will still honor their summonses. We have nothing to fear. We have breached no law. We are within Article 75 of the Constitution. Our behavior on that day was within the Constitution.
16 aya makiuga mari kaunti ya Mombasa kuria marathagania jama ya hamwe othe magithie na mbere kwiru makini wa Elachi ni muthiru.
Uhoro ni muthiru. As far as you are concerned, uhoro wa speaker ucio ni twarikirie. That is water under the bridge. Riu twagirwo gukorwo tukirora mbere ya tukugia speaker ongi na uria maundu ma Nairobi meguthi na mbere uria magirwo gukorwo magi.
And EACC should have come in and arrest Madam Speaker on that instead of looking for flimsy ground summoning members because of unbecoming conduct.
Kuringana na mwaria wa IECC Yasin Amaro, MCA Zayan mareketie gutumirwo marwa ona gutuika amwe ao ni maugite matikinyirwo nimo.
No na magiko makijitira kindu giothe na ndauga ni ndiri hatirundu muru njikite maundu maria mothe njikite ni maundu maria hetwo ni watho magijagirwo gukorwo ngiruta DMCA kwa Nairobi Assembly.
Okay, but don't command me.
Imwe cia thitango iria imang'etheire ni hamwe na kwagarara watho ri wendekithagia afitha othe ya thirikari mathingate mitugo miagiriru mbere ona nja wa maitho ma muingi. Kuguithia mwihoko wa Akenya hari iturwa iria mehokeirwo gatagati ka aingi. MCA Zaya riu magitanyo muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giguka. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.